Floyd, and I am a student at Tarleton, and I work in the Student Success Office. And so today we're just going to get advice, and I'm going to help you. And so the first thing we're going to do is click Get Advising. And then you're going to do the service category that you're going to choose. And it'll have whether you just have a general question, or if you need to change your major, or if you need to get help getting registered. Then you're going to choose your college, and for this sake I'll choose Mines. The appropriate location, and then you're going to choose which advisor. And so for the setting up your appointments, the system will work with what time your advisor is available and when you're not in class. So you could choose a morning, whenever it'll show you whenever you have classes or not. And you can also view walk-in times, and it'll show you what available times you're able to walk in for your advisor. So you'll choose a time, choose next. And here it'll have all your information, whether you can be sent an email for confirmation or if they need to contact you by your cell phone number. And that is pretty much it. Now you're ready to go. And if you have any questions, you can come by the Student Success Office, which is in room number 15 in the Tarleton Center on the bottom floor. Have a nice day.